Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Shopify POS to sell at pop-ups in the USA. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the settings section in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Select the plan option from the menu. Make sure you have a compatible Shopify plan that includes POS features. Next, go to the Point of Sale tab. Click on Get Started if prompted. If you haven't installed the Shopify POS app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Shopify POS app on your device. Log in using your Shopify account credentials. Once logged in, go to the settings within the POS app. Select location to add a new location for your pop-up shop. Enter the name and address of your pop-up location. Save the location details. Next, configure your payment methods for in-person sales. Go to the Payments section in the App Settings. Choose your preferred payment processors, such as Shopify Payments or third-party options. Follow the instructions to set up each payment method. Now, it's time to set up your product offerings. In the app, navigate to the Products tab. Ensure your inventory is updated with all items you plan to sell at the pop-up. Create or edit your product listings to include details and prices. Before your event, prepare your hardware. If using a card reader, connect it to your device following the manufacturer's instructions. Test the card reader to ensure it works properly. On the day of the pop-up, arrive early to set up. Log into the Shopify POS app and select your pop-up location. Check your inventory and ensure all items are ready for sale. Once set up, you are ready to start selling. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.